Pump up a 260 balloon all the way. Fold it in half and then twist it at the fold. Make a double 3-finger bubble. Braid the rest of the balloon and try not to let the double bubble come undone. Sometimes it helps to hold it between your knees while you make the braid. Make another double 3-finger bubble at the end. Turn the balloon over and tie another 260 balloon around the double bubble twist. You want to start with the first end because these bubbles easily come undone. This will help keep them in place. Pull the deflated balloon to the other side of the first balloon until it forms a half moon, then tie the end around the other double bubbles. If any part of the deflated balloon is left over, you can wrap it around the bubbles or just cut it off. You can hide the nozzle to give the balloon a more finished look. Simply pull the nozzle to the other side of the bubble and twist it into the twist. Then pump up another 260 balloon all the way. Fold this one in half as well and twist at the fold. Braid the balloon all the way to the end. And then make a 1-finger double bubble. Just like on the other balloon, take the nozzle, pull it to the other side of the bubble, and twist it into the twist. If your balloon is curved at all, pull it on both sides to straighten it. This is what your bow and arrow should look like at the end. In order to shoot it, put the flat side of the arrow against the string, pull back and release. Don't use the bubble side of the arrow or it will get stuck in the strings. If you want to make this bow and arrow balloon, you will need a pump, 3 260 balloons, and possibly scissors. If you'd like to get these items on Amazon, I will put links in the description below.